Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix insufficient address on Shein. If Shein says your address is insufficient, that means something is missing. Let's fix it. Make sure your address includes everything: apartment number, full city, full street name, city, zip code, and region. Even having out of space can cause this error. Shein's system prefers short, clear addresses. Avoid long special characters or abbreviations. Keep it clean and standardized. If your order failed due to this issue, message the customer support. They can help you correct it or cancel and refund so you can try again. Address accepted. Now your order will ship smoothly. Like this video if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more Shein help tips, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.